I'm Aaron Kaup. I'm the general manager of Palazzo Sasso, a beautiful boutique hall on the Amalfi Coast, located in a small, charming village called Ravello, which is located 450 meters above Amalfi. It has the nicest views of the entire coastline as we're looking down upon everything, so the views are breathtaking as you get to see the entire coastline and not just what is in front of you. I would say, like any other hotel, we have things that stand out, but in our case, I would say it's very service-oriented. Like I said, there's 43 rooms. We have a staff of 110, so all your clients are really pampered to, and I'm sure that many hotels have stories where staff plays a big role. Just to give you a little insight of what happened to one of our honeymoon couples, as the Amalfi Coast is a big destination for honeymooners. We had a couple that wanted to go down to the beach. So they went to the concierge and they asked if we had an access to the beach down on the coast side. And our concierge arranged for everything that they could go down with the drive and all that. Basically, they went, they left in the morning, they came back in the evening, and the bride, she was in tears. She was crying, so he went, he said, what happened? And basically she had lost her engagement ring at the beach. So we tried to calm her down. We went to speak to her and see where they were sitting and all that. Basically, they went to bed. Next morning, they were at breakfast, and our maitre d' came out in the breakfast room and opened a gloss on a plate, and she had her ring back. So what my concierge did, they sent divers down in the middle of the night where they were sitting down by the beach side, and they were lucky enough to find the ring. But it's just an idea to give you the example of service where we like to go to. All our clients, we consider ourselves like a home away from home, as we're a boutique hotel, 43 rooms only, so it's much easier to have your client relationship with the guest, and you're not just a room number. So every guest is Mr. Smith or Mr. Jones, so it makes a big difference. We are a seasonal property, so we close in the winter days. We open in April and we close at the end of October. And giving enough time to us to do renovations every year, being closed in the winter, every year we have projects. Over the last 2 years, we've been remodeling our bathrooms completely, so all 43 bathrooms are brand new. 3 years ago, we added a spa to the property. So every year, our owners are pretty much giving us money to be on top of the list every year, to be opened when the clients arrive. And being a seasonal hotel, I don't think that you can justify the rates we charge telling a client that there's a scratch on the wall or the paint is chipping off, because you had enough time in the winter days to prepare everything. Ravello as itself is a charming town. It is one of the biggest towns on the Amalfi Coast, such as Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. But the nice part of Ravello is that everything is spread out, so you never get really the feeling like Positano, where everything is located along one road, that it gets too crowded or too overpopulated, especially in the summer days with tourists and all that. Because Ravello, everything is spread out to the left, to the right, so you never really get that feeling. It has many beautiful sites. It has the Villa Cimbrona, which are beautiful gardens overlooking toward the Positano side. We are overlooking toward the Sorrento side, so it gives you a beautiful view of the entire coastlines, because like I said in the beginning, we're located high above, so when you look down on the water, you see everything which is around you, not just what is in front of you. We are very happy. We are actually new to Signature. We just joined 2 months ago, and I was actually courting Ignacio for 3 years so far, and that I wanted to become part of the Signature Travel Assemblance. But he told me that, which I appreciated actually very much from him, that they had already 2 other hotels on the coast, and he said that at the moment they hadn't enough business to drive to the hotels that they could take a 3rd property. So when he contacted me again, it was like, for me, for us, it was really something great, because I greatly believe into the Signature Travel Network, because I think it's like a family, and relationships count more than anything else. So for us, being part of this it's a big achievement. It's a big goal for us, and we look forward to working with the travel partners of the Signature Network and making many of their clients feel very welcome with us and making sure that they're taken well care of.